Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 6 and today I will show you how to boot the device into bootloader mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time, and we're now in the bootloader. So from here, you can use volume keys to navigate, and as you can see, the option appears on the top right there. So whatever is selected, for instance recovery mode, if you press power key right now, you would access recovery mode. And you have the power off option, start, which is just a simple way of saying reboot, restart bootloader, which literally goes back into this mode, and again recovery mode. So whatever you select, you just press power key to confirm it. Now I'm gonna choose start. There we go, power key, and now I'm gonna leave this mode by doing so. Just put on the pin, and there we go. So that is how you would access and leave the bootloader mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.